Welcome to AB Crypto Talk. This particular video, I want to take you through the step-by-step process on how you can participate on the Derify Exchange TESTNET. Alright, so this Derify Exchange, it's a decentralized derivatives trading platform which is introduced by the Derify protocol. Alright, so this one thing you need to know is this testnet, it's ending on March, and every participant will be rewarded. Okay, so as we go, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and also you can follow me or tweet on Twitter, because I do put out vital or important and educative information concerning cryptocurrency. Alright, so I'll take you through the steps, but first you need to know it is a BSC network, so you will be using the BSC smart chain, the BSC testnet. Okay, so if you don't have it, all you simply need to do is go to chainlist.org, then you connect your wallet. Okay, then you select BXC. Okay, here you have the BSC. This is the mainnet, you can see it. Then this is the testnet, this is the one you choose. Okay, and it will be added automatically to your MetaMask. All right, so let's go now. This is the exchange, so I'll leave a link to the site. You click on it. Okay, yeah, my wallet is already connected. So one thing you need to know, and I will show you now, it's this. Okay, it's the documents on how you can carry out this business. First, you need to enter, it said enter the exchange page and click connect. Mind you, I will leave a link to the exchange page. Okay, now you see something like this: bind your broker privilege. Okay, I have already done this, that is why it's not showing. Okay, I've already done this, I've passed through this process. Then it says choose your BSC testnet. So if I am to disconnect right now and I want to reconnect again, I just simply need to choose. You can see it. Okay, and I'm connected again. All right, so let's go down, please. Now you can see that you will see it at this particular place, which is this. Okay, so let's go over to how you can choose a broker. Okay, so now when you get to this place, you just simply need to select no broker code. Okay, then you will be given a page, then you choose one of these broker. You can choose these or these. Okay, any one of your choice. Then once you have chosen it, then you are done. Okay, so the next thing for you to do is go over to the file set. Okay, so this place actually gives you test BNB, which you are going to be using to pay for the fees. Okay, and also it's going to give you 100 test BUSD. Okay, now this is where you have to wait a little, because if I click on this get test BUSD, it's a form requesting for the verified testing BUSD, and if you fill this form and submit this one, it's going to take you about 24 hours before you get it. Okay, that is why this video, this stuff, I started it hours ago. After filling this form, I had to wait until I receive mine. Okay, so you just do this and you submit it. Okay, you link your Twitter or Discord account, then your BEP20 wallet address, which is these particular one you are using. You just simply need to copy it and you put it here. Okay, so after that, the next thing for you to do is click on this get test BNB. This will be given to you instantly. You don't have to wait. You just copy this same wallet address, put it here, and click on give me BNB, and you have it instantly. Okay, and mind you can only do it once in 24 hours. Okay, so let's go back to the task of today. So first we need to go to trade. All right, so now we are here. We need to we can see the current price of BTC. We need to deposit. And how do you deposit? You click on your wallet, then you click on deposit. Okay, so you need to know that before you start trading, you need to deposit. Okay, remember we have 100,000 worth of test BUSD. So let's say I want to deposit let's say let's deposit 50k. Okay, from my wallet to my margin account. Okay, and now I'm clicking deposit. You have to confirm. Okay, this fee, the cost of the fee is the test BNB that we got, we received. Okay, so you can do yours and you get that instantly. Okay, it's just taking some time and we have to wait and see. All right, it's done. Okay, so I have deposited it. Let's see. Now you can see we have 50k in the wallet remaining and we paid um um, um for the fee. Okay, so next is you can also withdraw the amount that you have deposited. Okay, so now look at the amount I deposited. I want to withdraw from my margin account to my wallet. Let's say I want to withdraw just 10,000. So we are just trying to interact with this platform and see if there is any bug or something like that, so we can give feedback to the to the developers. All right, so let's wait why this why this. Okay, confirmed. Okay, now let's say we want to open a position. Okay, now we are currently at the trade section. We can open a position either by using the market or we are using the limit. Okay, so if you have been trading using you should have known you must have known what is a limit buy and a market order. Okay, and this is the leverages that we can use. This is a 5x, this is a 3x, this is a 2x, this is in 1x, and this is a 10x. So those of you that know how to do this margin trading on the future stuff, this shouldn't be a hard task for you to do. So first, let's say we want to buy market, and the current price of BTC is 434 36k. And remember, in the market buy, the thing the stuff buys immediately. You don't have to wait. Okay, it executes immediately. That is why it is a market buy. Okay, remember I have 4,000 BT 4,000 dollars test BUSD. Okay, so let's say we want to buy Bitcoin worth of 20,000, and we want to go long. Okay, let's say we want to go long, so we can just use the market buy to go long and see. Okay, you can see the amount days, you can see the trade fee. Okay, so let's go long. We have to confirm it. Let's give it some time. Okay, done. It's successful. Okay, now you can see up, or you can see my position, you can see current order, you can see the trade history. All right, so you can see the position and everything that we bought, it's here. Okay, so we can also close this position. All right, so if you want to close this position, all you simply need to do is come over here, click close. How do you want to close this position? You can say you want to close 25%, like you want to say part of it, or you want to say half. Okay, that's 50% of it, or you want to sell, you want to close total, like you want to sell. Okay, so let's just confirm and close this particular position. Okay, so remember, any testnet fund you are using, it basically doesn't have any monetary value, so you can just play with it and see you are not losing any funds. So don't be worried or concerned about the amounts that we are calling. Okay, it's just a test fund. Okay, you can see after I've closed the particular position, you can see there's no more orders there. Okay, remember we use the market buy, you can also use the limit buy. Yeah, if you are using a limit buy, it means you are going to wait. Okay, let's say I want to buy, I'm setting my buy price at 4,000. Okay, I'm setting it at okay, $4,000, $40,000. What this means is, if Bitcoin, the price of Bitcoin dips to $40,000, I will go long. That means I will buy. Okay, the thing, the trade will be executed. Okay, it will go long. That is what this thing actually means. Okay, now that we have entered the position, we have closed the position. Let's go to reward and see what we have here. Okay, now you can see on reward, on claim reward, we have none. So you can, if we have gotten a reward, you can claim. Okay, so let's say we want to open a position here, so it's still the same thing. Okay, so you just need to know that you can, if you have any reward in this particular protocol, you can withdraw them. Okay, you can use them to open position. All right, so you can stake them. Okay, after staking you can redeem. So that is how this protocol just that's how this protocol is working. So just do your best, take this action, and let's hope for a possible airdrop reward. All right, so I think this is the feedback form. Now you have to submit bug or suggestion, account ID. Okay, description. So I don't know, I will fill this form, but I didn't see any bug, but I will try to fill this form and see. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to like this video, and also do not forget to follow me on Twitter.